Question 6. Use the calendar to help you solve these problems. What problems? First one, A bag of bird food lasts 6 days. You open the packet on Thursday 4th. It means Thursday 4th. When will you open the next bag? So it will stay 6 days. It means 4 plus 6, that means 10. So 10th June, or we can say next Wednesday. Okay. Question B. I planned to visit the zoo on the 13th but went 2 weeks earlier. When did I go? So 30, and 2 week means 7 times 2, that means 14 days. So earlier, it means 30 minus 14. We can use from this calculator, right? From this calendar. So here is, this is 0. It means we consider, or we can take 1 from this 10 to once, it will become 10. So 10 minus 4, it will be 6. So this 3 become now 2. 2 minus 1, here is a 1. So our date will be 16, right? So we can say it will be 16th June. Number 6 done. Challenge. Question 7. Here is some box like minutes, hours, days, weeks. Choice is in the box to estimate how long it takes to shake hands with friend. It can be minute. It can be minutes. Hours, days, weeks is actually ridiculous. To eat your breakfast, it can be hours, but need less than hours. To walk around the outside of your school building, it can be minutes, right? For grass to grow 5 centimeter, it need weeks. Okay, so number 7 done. 7b. Write one more thing for each of these time units. Minutes, like writing a short text message. Next, hours, it can be watching movie, right? Watching movie. Days. Suppose if you order something to outside city, so it need more than days or at least 1 day. So in this case, we can write waiting for a parcel. So it can be separate thing. So we can write this one, arrive. Weeks. Suppose practicing for a school play. Okay, so number B, it means question 7 has done. Question 8, here is 3 month of calendar, November, December and January. So our first question, find 2 days that dates are 17 days apart. So what is the simplest example? Suppose we can take like 6 November. 6 November, and if we add 17 days, it will be 23rd November. Okay, very simple. Number B. Marcel, Mustafa and Majuk went camping. Marcel left 9th November, Mustafa left on 12th November, and Marjuk left 27th November. They all come home 6th December. How long was each boy away camping? So first one, Marcel left on 12th November, right? Marcel left 12th Marcel left on 9th November. So we can write 9th November and come 6th December, right? Return 6th December. So how many days here? So 9th November, if you check from in here, this is 9th November and 30. So here is how many days? 21 days. And here is a 6. So add 6. So it means 27 days. So how long was each boy away camping? Marcel, 27 days. Mustafa left 12th November. And same, this is 12th November. So 30 minus 12, it is 18, and plus 6. It means 24 days. Okay. So Mustafa, 24 days. Majuk, 27 November. So 30 November minus 27, it means 3, and plus 6 December, it means 6. So 9 days. 9 days. Okay, very simple. So number B done. Number C. Mustafa went camping again 6 weeks after he came home 6 December, and he stayed 11 days. Which day did he go and when did he back? So this is very interesting thing. First, he returned home 6 December from camping and stay 11 days. So it means 17 December, right? And Mustafa went camping again 6 weeks. 1 week, 7 days. So 6 weeks, 7 times 6, it means 42 days. 42 days. So from 17 December to 42 days. 17 plus December has 31. So this is 42. So we can consider, like, it's a interesting thing, December 31 and 17 December. So here is a 14 days. Okay, and 42 minus 14. So here is 8 and 2, 28. Okay, so let's check more carefully. I think this one become very complicated. First, he back 6 December, stay up to 11 days. It means 6 plus 7, 6 plus 11, it means 17th December. And he will go for again camping for 42 days. So 17 and December has 21st, 31 days, right? So 31 minus 17. So here is 14 days. and 42 minus 14, so here is what, 8, 28. So he will back 28 January. So we can say, when did he go again, go 17th December and back, again back, it means after 42 days later, it will be 28 January. Okay, so number 8, A, B, C, done. Question 9, and this is the last part of exercise 13.1. Here is mentioned, Anna was away for 13 days. Write 2 possible pairs of date when she left and come back. So left, let's see, 3rd August and come back 13 days later, it means 16th August. So first we can say left 3rd August, back 16 days later, it means 16th August. Second, it can be, suppose anything you can take, like left 10th August, back 16 days later, it means 26 August. Okay, very simple. 9b, Javed was away for 17 days. Write 2 possible pairs of date when he left and back. This is also same thing. Suppose he left 5th May, left 5th May, back 5 plus 17, it means 22, right? So we can say 22nd May. Next, 4th, 17 days, away for 70 days. Next we can say, suppose left 10th May and back what, 17, it means 27th May. Okay, so thank you very much for being with me. After this we have completed 13.1. Next video we will start from 13.2, which is timetables. Till then, take care, keep practice, and don't waste your time. Thank you.